Hi everybody. I thought I'd do a field test of the Nature Hike 60-liter backpack. This is the Rock series backpack. I'll give you my thoughts and ideas about it. There's been some negative press on it, but I'm not even going to worry about that right now. Let's just go over some of the things this pack has on it. Number one, it comes in either Dyneema or aerobic, I believe, material. It's like a nylon. That's what this one is. They tried to sell it to me as Dyneema, but it isn't. Nonetheless, it's still a good pack. It weighs 2.51 pounds. It is a fully framed pack. It has an aluminum frame on it. And some people complain about that frame. In fact, some of the complaints have been, especially for women, that it rubs on the back of their hip. I think the problem there, really, and I mean, somebody else can answer this better than I can, I think, but I just don't think those people have those packs fitted properly, to be honest with you. This pack has little tolerance for error as far as fitting. It has a very narrow margin of being fit. I'm a 19.5-inch torso length, and if you don't know about fitting a backpack, there are tons of videos out there that can help you. But I'm 19.5, and this pack fits me perfectly, absolutely perfectly. I've never had an issue with the frame digging into my back or my, my hip at the back here, the sacrum. But anyway, having said that, it is a frame pack. It has really good padding here. I really like the straps. I wish there was a little more in the way of daisy chaining on the straps, to be honest. It has one pocket here. It almost suggests that it's a water pocket, but I don't think you're going to get a water bottle in it. It is, however, useful, quite useful. It has load lifter straps. It has a really good, I'm quite impressed with the belt on it and the pockets. The pockets, I mean, they're not that deep. They're not that great that way. I don't think you could fit a larger phone in them, but they are useful for what they are. I carry a fanny pack anyway, so that, I mean, at least for me, I'm just saying. Anyways, it's a roll top, like I said. Sorry, I'm out in the field with it, so it's still got some stuff in it, but it has two main pockets in the back. One's a smaller one that ties with a rope, and it also will give you enough room with this these built-in, I don't know, they're not shock cords because they don't stretch, but they are cordage, paracord, whatever you want to call it. And they do latch on here, so you could put a bear canister on there quite easily. I believe this is an 8 or a 10-liter stretchy bag at the back. Sorry, the front. And I'm really impressed with it, actually. I really like the material. I've put this thing through its paces myself, and it's brushed against some pretty sharp objects, trees, etc. And it's still doing really well. And it's been on the trail for quite a while with me. These pockets on the side will hold 2 large bottles, like 1-liter smart bottles. It also has some connecting here with, in case you want an ice pick, ice axe. 2 of them on each side. Along the side here, if you want to strap anything in or put it in the bags on the side, you do have, again, some, it looks like 3mm cordage with line lock type of attachments, which are pretty good. It has a bag at the bottom, a little opening here for a cover, a rain cover. I don't use mine, I take it out because I use a pack liner. Anyway, that's kind of most of the details of this pack. Honestly, my opinion is it's a great pack. It really is. I got this one off AliExpress for $62. I mean, what do you get for $62 nowadays? Really. So for the price, you just can't beat it. At 2.5 pounds for a frame pack, it's pretty good. It's pretty competitive. There are a couple of other companies that come in a little lower. and allow much more customization. But still, I'm telling you, for the money, this is a great pack. It sits well on my back. I don't ever feel like it's pulling me out of balance. I don't really have to work harder having it on. Of course, it has to be packed right. Every one does. But all in all, I would say for the price, this is a great pack, and I would suggest it. Some people have had issues with them. Yes, those you can find all over the web, and for the reasons. It's always been women with shorter torsos that have complained about it. But I'm telling you, for the money, great deal. If you like the videos, like and subscribe, help the channel out, and we'll come back with lots more reviews once I get off trail. I'm on trail right now. Okay.